how to make pancake mix. First, it needs a proper mix. More milk, proper mix. Again.
Alright, Wali, which pancake mix you are using?
Batty crocker. Pancake
Crocker.
mix.
How does it taste, Wali?
It tastes very good, I'm telling you.
Alright. So now tell me further. Is it mixed well?
Yep, I can.
Mixed well. Alright. Give me.
Here we go.
Just let me check. Is it okay? We need to pour a little bit more
Yeah, milk.
pancake mix, not milk. Okay? Just wait a second.
It's put it. Now we need to mix it.
Again.
Mama!
Okay. So let me see. Alright, so Wali, now we're gonna pour it.
Wow.
Done.
See guys, my pancake is ready. Oh yeah! It's so yummy. Ah,
How does it smell, Wali?
it smells good.
Smells good.
Now I'm going to tell you how to make quick hot chocolate milk. We need day fresh, Ovaltine, and pecan. First, we will pour it inside the
Slowly,
glass.
slowly. Stop.
One.
Stop. Again.
And two.
We need more day fresh
milk.
milk.
Now we need some Ovaltine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now it needs a proper mix. Now some honey.
Come on. Give me the spoon.